that we should let things live and grow.
So listen, how once upon a day we could let our land fall into disarray.
The lofty trees are a sight to see. They give shade and beauty to you and me. Birds and squirrels make their home and hide. Bunnies and deer live together side by side.
The lofty trees have flowers so sweet for the bees that quite a treat to rest beneath the lofty trees. Oh, what a joy it is to me!
Ha ha ha! I found you lofty trees. Now I build up my factories. I will make my money in great big pies. Cut down lofties for miles and miles. Chop, chop, chop. Mad. Come on, let's chop this lofties down. Build a stump, build a town. Chop, chop, chop! Timber! Stop, stop, stop! Don't you care or understand what will happen to the animals and to our land? I will speak for my planet till my face turns blue. Don't you realize what all this chopping is leading to? Stop, stop! No! I want my fame. I want everyone to know my name. I will make my money in great big pies. Cut down lofties for miles and miles. Oh dear, what can we do? Oh dear, I like that too. As a squirrel, I need to climb from limb to limb. I eat lofty nuts to keep myself trim. If the lofty tree is gone, what will I do from now on? Oh dear, what can we do? Oh dear, our lives are true.
We fly from branch to branch and play. We build our nest for a place to stay. We give our babies worms to eat. Our lofty home is such a treat.
Oh dear, what can we do?
Oh dear, our lives are full. We buzz around from flower to flower and sample honey hour by hour. Lofty nectar is best to be found. Oh lofty, I am so glad you are around.
Oh dear, what can we do? Oh dear, our lives are true. Scampering by the lofty tree, there is no better place to be. Nibbling grasses from the forest floor, that's a meal that I adore. Oh dear, what can we do? Oh dear, our lives are true.
As a deer, I need a place where I can rest and I can rest. The lofty forest is so good to me. The lofty forest is a place to be. Oh dear.
What can we do? Oh dear, our lives are true. Lofties are what I want to use. Lofties are what the people will choose. I will use my lofties in every way. Bring them to me every day. Chop, Doesn't anyone care? Stop! Soon there will be no more loft trees anywhere. This destruction has to end. Won't anyone join me and be my friend? Won't anyone join me and be my friend?
We will join you. We will be your friend. We will join you. We will be your friend.
Recycle paper, right on both sides too. This is something we all can do.
Go away! Get lost! I have to have you love the trees. Bring them to my factories.
We will help make money in great big piles. Cut down lofties from miles and miles. Chop, chop, chop! Timber!
Stop! Don't you care or understand what will happen to the animals and to our land? We will speak for our planet till my face turns blue. Don't you? Don't you realize what all this chopping is leading to? Stop!
Save the lovely lofty trees! Save the lovely lofty trees! Save them if you please!
The animals and plants are in big trouble. They have to leave on the double by chopping the lofties to the ground. There isn't enough food to go around.
And the factories, just too much smoke. The factories flatten the sky and make everyone choke.
Go away! Go away, you guys! Go away! Say your goodbyes! I have to have you lofty trees! Bring them to my factories!
Chop, chop, chop! Timber!
We are the children who love you so. Oh, lofty trees, please don't go. Oh, lofty trees, please don't go. I want to play hide and seek. I'll hide my eyes and I won't peek. In your shed, I'll read a book on how to play ball and how to cook.
I lean against you and take a snooze. In the fall, your leaves I'll use.
A tree house I love to make and climb up in it for fun's sake.
We are the children who love you so. Oh, lofty trees, please don't go. Oh, lofty trees, please don't go.
Oh children, I hate your story. My lofties will bring me fame and glory. Search for lofties far and wide. Search and discover the countryside.
Chop, chop, chop! Timber! Stop, stop, stop!
Doesn't anyone care? Stop! Soon there will be no more lofties anywhere. This destruction has to end. Stop!
Not a lofty inside, how grim, how sad. Not a lofty flower or cut to be had. Animals have fled, they have gone away, and children have lost a place to play.
There's not a lofty to be found. Pollution and destruction are all around.
Mr. Factory Owner, what did you do?
Mr. Factory Owner, how mean of you?
I am sorry for my acts of greed.
I didn't think of our Earth's need. Now there's a Guinness, mile after mile. That's all because of my minister.
Oh, don't be sad.
No, this is a happy day.
I have some lovely rocky trees to plant. We will start a new forest. Don't say you can't. It's not too late to help and share. It's not too late. You sure you can.
The earth is our home. Be very kind.
Protect things in nature.
Keep that in your mind.
Let's not be careless.
And make our land look bad.
Our home, the earth, is a place for us to feel glad.
What up, world? It's your boy, just one of the guys down here. Well, I could be more specific. I'm a human. And just wanted to, for the sake of all of us Earthlings out there, just wanted to say,